Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks, and I haven't used this planner for quite some time because I really fell in love with my Daiso notebook slash bullet journal, my elegant BuJo. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure that you check out my other videos, the newer ones, as well as my blog, which is 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔.wordpress.com. So here I'm just starting with some deco, and I've moved on to the functional stickers that are in this sticker book. This is my newest Happy Planner sticker book, and I feel like this is my favorite one of them all. It just has all of the things that I really like. It's very whimsical, there's a lot of foiling, and it's really a very good purchase if you want a whole ton of stickers to play with. Now, also, please mind that there's a lot of functional stickers in here, so if you're not into that, if you just like to decorate your page with pretty things, not really functional planning, then this might not be for you. So for me, I like to use both, and I'm switching between some decorative as well as some quotes and functional stickers. So here I'm just putting down a few decorative and functional stickers at the bottom, and this doesn't have a lot of stickers in it. I mean, this page or this spread is not as sticker heavy as the ones that I have been doing in the past, and I feel like this is just where my planning style is going, and I've been really enjoying some minimal stickers in my pages. Now, you could argue that this isn't exactly the most minimal page of life, but for me and my planning system, this is pretty minimal. So on this column on the right side, I did divide it into two. One of them is for my daily focus, and you can just use the lines that come with the Hobonichi Weeks, as well as my task list, which I was writing down under the Notes to Self sticker. So I just wrote Hello October because we are going into the month of October. Time really flies, and I just wanted to mark that with another sticker here. And then I'm moving on to my daily schedule. So for my pages, I really like to switch between daily schedules as well as task lists, etc., because my mind does not want to be linear most of the time, and then I remember things suddenly that I should have remembered to write down before. That's why I've learned to just switch between task lists and dailies when I'm writing down on my planner. I also like to just mark some of the happy thoughts at the end of the week, like Friday and Hello Weekend, Family Day, and such like. So this is a completed page, and I will write on this when the next week comes. So watch out for that in my Instagram. It is paperjoyph, and I'll see you in the next video.